You know what? What I earned in my 26 years in my previous job, I got here in ClickBank double in just less than a month. Robbie and the Commission Hero are really godsent.
$1,047.90. Things just click for me, right? Because it's so intuitive. It's the way that things are taught.
I started running ads literally a month and a half ago, and I've already hit my first $1,000 day. Who better to learn from than the absolute best there is?
Hey, what's going on, guys? Robbie Blanchard here, and welcome to today's training. I'm super excited to have you on this page because it means you're interested in learning how to make money online, but more importantly, make a lot of money online and do it without having an email list, do it without having a product, and do it without having to worry about customer service and inventory and all that crazy stuff that other people teach, guys. So I'm super excited to have you on here, first of all, and the reason why, guys, is because you're about to learn the same three-step system that I learned over the past couple of years that took me from being a struggling gym owner to now being the #1 ClickBank affiliate in the entire world. And more importantly, I've been able to use the same three-step system to help out thousands of people this year alone. As a matter of fact, let's hear from some of them right now.
Thursday, $1,230. Friday, $1,170. Saturday, $1,080. The strategy that is taught in the Commission Hero program by Robbie Blanchard. There's absolutely no way I would have achieved this without him.
As you can see, in this week I have already made a little bit over $20,000. Thank you very much for putting together this amazing course. It's been a crazy journey so far, a lot of invaluable things that you teach us.
We posted our first set of ads last week and they started making money on day one, which is a massive win for me because I entered this course knowing absolutely nothing about Facebook. I had never posted an ad before. I had never even boosted a post. So I was coming up from a place of zero knowledge and I was scared that it was gonna be way over my head and I wouldn't understand what everyone else was doing, and they walk you through absolutely everything. The support of Robbie and the team has been absolutely amazing.
So as you can see, I'm having $1,000 days. Today I'm up to $837 and the day is not even over yet. And as you can see up here, $10,000 for the week. The course is real, the help is real, Robbie is real.
So you can see, guys, that people all over the world just like you are having success with my Commission Hero system. Now, guys, here's what's possible when you actually start to implement what I teach you on this training. Let me actually log into my ClickBank account right now. All right, let's see what we got here. All right, cool. All right, guys, you can see that literally I'm making thousands and thousands of dollars per day with this system, guys. Not just me, like you saw earlier. Lots of people all over the world are having success, and you can too, guys. So here's what I want you to do. I want you to go ahead and register for today's free training. On this free training, you're gonna be learning so many things, including my three-step method for how I'm able to turn people from a Facebook ad into making money on ClickBank, guys. It's very, very simple. It works time and time again, and it allows you to literally make your first $100 day, first $1,000 day, and more, guys. All right, guys, so what are you waiting for? Go ahead and click that link, register for the training which takes place today, because on this training, you'll be learning so many things that can literally change your life forever, guys. So click that link, register for the free training, and I'll see you on the inside.